Happy Thursday, everyone. Good morning. This is my dog, Henry. He just wanted to pop in to say hi. So today we are going to do morning meeting. I hope everyone had a good night last night. Let's start off with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. If you want to pause it and go check out the Pledge of Allegiance song, that would be awesome, and then come right back. All right, and then next is our morning greeting. Good morning, everyone. All right, if you want to say good morning to whoever's with you right now, to your parents, to your siblings, to me, good morning. All right, if you want to pause this and then go to the good morning song, that would be great, and then come back. All right, next we're going to do our morning message. Today is April 23rd, 2020. Good morning. Today is Thursday. I will clean today. Love, Miss Mary. I have some chores that I do every week, and I know that you guys could probably maybe help out your parents a little bit with cleaning. I know a lot of you have some trays. You have trays, and that could probably use a little cleaning. So I have some Clorox wipes, especially during this time with this weird, crazy virus that's going on. It's really good to clean, every day. So you could use Clorox wipes to help clean your tray. Or if you don't have Clorox wipes, there's spray. You could use spray and paper towel. So that's what I'll be doing today. I'm going to be cleaning. So should be a fun day. And now if you want to press pause and go listen to the Beautiful Day song, I'll be right here waiting for you to come back. All right, next is our calendar time. Today is Thursday. The month is April. The number is 23. And the year is 2020. So today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. Again, today is Thursday. Yesterday was Wednesday. And tomorrow will be Friday. The season we're in is spring, and I don't know if you can, oh, there you go, can see it. It's raining in that season, and you know what? Big surprise, it's raining today. It's going to be a gloomy day today. And it's pretty chilly out, so it's pretty cold. All right, if you want to pause it and go listen to the Days of the Week wrap, pause it and come right back. All right, next we're going to count our numbers, and we're going to count to number 23 because that's the day. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. All right. That's it for me for today. I'll be posting a story time with Miss Barbie reading a little later today, so make sure you check that out. And I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to listen to the number rock after this, okay, guys? All right. Have a good day. Bye.